This article is titled Pathogen-specific burdens of community diarrhea in developing countries, a multi-site birth cohort study, MALED, and was authored by Platts Mills, James, Babji, Sudi, Bodhidata, Ladaporn, BSc Gratz, Jean, Huck, Rashidul, PhD Haft, Alexandre, D. Phil McCormick, Benjamin, SCD McGrath, Monica, BSc Olortegi, Peds Meribel, PhD Sami, Amadou, MBBS Shawa, Sadia, Mondao, Dinesh, PhD Lima, ILA, Master of Science Hararaju, Dinesh, BSc Rayamaji, Vishnu, Master of Science Qureshi, Shahida, Master of Science Kabir, Furcon, Miles Parao Yuri, Pablo. Bitek Mufarmadi, Brenda, Master of Science Amor, Caroline, Kerian, Daniel, PhD Richard, Stephanie, PhD Lang, Dennis, PhD Dasson, Pascal, Miles Parao Maduma, Esto, MBBS Ahmed, Talmid, Lima, AAM Aldo, Mason, Carl, MBBS Sadie, Anita, PhD Butter, Zulfika, Kosek, Margaret, Geraint, Richard, PhD Gottlieb, Michael, Miller, Mark, Kang, Gogandeep, and Haupt, Eric Dr.
Most studies of the causes of diarrhea in low-income and middle-income countries have looked at severe disease in people presenting for care, and there are few estimates of pathogen-specific diarrhea burdens in the community. We undertook a birth cohort study with not only intensive community surveillance for diarrhea but also routine collection of non-diarrheal stools from 8 sites in South America, Africa, and Asia. Stools were analyzed for a broad range of enteropathogens using culture, enzyme immunoassay, and PCR. We used the adjusted attributable fraction, AF, to estimate pathogen-specific burdens of diarrhea. Pathogen detection was common in non-diarrheal stools but was higher with diarrhea. Norovirus GII, rotavirus, Campylobacter spp, astrovirus, and Cryptosporidium spp exhibited the highest attributable burdens of diarrhea in the first year of life. The major pathogens associated with diarrhea in the second year of life were Campylobacter spp, Norovirus GII, rotavirus, astrovirus, and Shigella spp. Bloody diarrhea was primarily associated with Campylobacter spp and Shigella spp, fever and vomiting with rotavirus, and vomiting with Norovirus GII. Interpretation: there was substantial heterogeneity in pathogen-specific burdens of diarrhea, with important determinants including age, geography, season, rotavirus vaccine usage, and symptoms.
We are article.tv. Links in the description below.